Hello and welcome back. We are very delighted to bring to you a very stunning 2 BHK from Nizampet, Hyderabad. Truly minimalistic designs of this entire space will give you very peaceful vibes as soon as you enter the house. The crockery unit has mirror and glass cabinets. The TV unit is very classic. The spotlights and the COB lights in the drawing room will give you a depth effect of the entire space. My favorite part of the house is definitely the master bedroom, which is getting amplified with the wallpaper installed and the wardrobe border design. Please watch the entire video and leave in comments about your favorite chic space. Thank you.